Does your child love art and you're hoping to bring her out to sketch? In this video, I will show you how to put together an urban sketching kit using materials from your local IKEA store. There are many interesting arts and craft materials in the IKEA Mala collection. This watercolor box and a set of 14 new colors caught my eye. This tray of 14 colors cost $9.90 and the watercolor box costs $12.90. I will share what you can add to this box to make your child's first urban sketching kit. Let's go into the full review. Plastic cover pops off, revealing the 14 watercolor cakes in a black tray. The cakes are stuck firmly to the tray. The tray snaps onto a sturdy translucent box holding 2 plastic cups and 2 brushes. These round-tip brushes are made from synthetic fibers. Now for the swatch, let's see what colors are included in the watercolor box. The colors are vibrant but chalky, as you can see that pencil writings are covered over by the paint. The standard tray comes with white, peach, light brown, dark brown, yellow, orange, red, magenta, purple, light blue, dark blue, light green, green, and black. And now for the new colors. You can swap the standard tray with the new one. Really love these new colors. There are 7 new fluorescent colors and they are transparent. The other 7 colors are metallic colors that are opaque, but I think all of them will be really useful for school art projects. And here's a comparison with the standard tray colors. No repeats here. Now, let's add a few items to this box to make it into an all-in-one urban sketching kit. You need a sketchbook. Do get something that's around the same size or smaller than the box. I would suggest holding the box with an elastic band because the plastic cover is not fixed. Include a water container to hold the painting water. Try to get one that's less than 5 cm. Also need a rug, writing instruments like pencils and erasers. Well, that's very much it, cause the box already comes with 2 cups and 2 brushes. You can use the bottom of the tray as a mixing palette. Let's paint something with this setup. I hold the small items like erasers, pencils, brushes, and the elastic band in the plastic tray. Can you guess what I am going to paint? I am painting the view of the Marina Bay area in Singapore. There are 4 shallow wells at the bottom of the box, which I will use as the mixing areas. The colors are not super intense, but it's possible to mix colors. Your child should be able to paint almost anything with the 14 colors that are included, like yellow for the sun, the beige for people's faces, green for the grass, brown for trees, and blue for sky. And the paint brushes, well, I was pleasantly surprised by how soft the bristles are. If you like the brushes, there is also a separate set of 6 brushes. The separate set included flat brushes as well. I found that the 2 brushes that came with the set are good enough for my piece, and I could paint a fair amount of details with the small brush. The paint is non-toxic, and the watercolor box is suitable for children aged 3 years and above. I thought this watercolor box is thoughtfully made with all the colors and accessories that your child will need for painting. And with just a few additions, they can bring it wherever they want. After use, clean the brushes, cups and box with water. Don't forget to clean the watercolor cakes and let them dry before you replace the plastic cover. I hope that you have learned something in today's video. Like and subscribe if you have. Thank you, and I see you in the next video. Happy sketching!